burden of society. As I age, I can see the struggle of being one of many unheard voices. I am one of those who cry the loudest but no one ever dared to listen and ask why. Hence, I advocate tropa, a slang term for friend or in Filipino, kaibigan. This aims to make youth bond and make them feel that they are not alone. Whatever life may offer, they have companion to overcome it. My advocacy also aims to end the stigma of mental health issues because I know how detrimental these issues, especially to the lives of many. As a tourism student, I know how it feels to seek for the beauty of life and the word and true tropa. I can make my peers and the rest of the youth within my reach to be there for each other. My advocacy will find ways to increase community involvement of the youth, to make them feel that they are doing their vital roles of the community. Young ones, let us make this a journey or possible one, wherein we can uplift others. Let us make the world see how impactful the existence of us, if we come together with one goal in peace and harmony. Agkay-kaysa tayo para iti na imbag a panagbiag.